In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to change split screen on Fortnite to vertical on PlayStation 5 and whether or not it is possible to do this. In this video, I'm going to clear up any questions that you might have regarding split screen on Fortnite. So as you might be clearly aware, by connecting an additional DualSense controller to your PlayStation 5, you will be able to initiate split screen mode from the lobby. Afterwards, you can queue into the standard Battle Royale mode and you will be playing in split screen. One of you will be able to use the primary controller to control one of the screens and the other will be able to control the other screen available. Now, you might be curious if it is possible to change the orientation of these screens from horizontal to vertical in this specific case. Well, even after you go in game and you go into the options or you try pressing a specific combination of buttons on the controllers, you will notice that regardless of what you do, you will never be able to manage the split screen orientation. So as it stands today, is it completely impossible? Do we have to go over to a different menu before accessing split screen, or do we have to do something outside of the game? Well, sadly, just like on other platforms such as Xbox, Fortnite does not allow you to change the split screen orientation from horizontal to vertical. This is a limitation of the game itself, and because of this, it is consistent across all platforms. Unless Epic Games adds the options related to split screen, including the orientation, you will not be able to change it to vertical. This is something that has been requested by many players, but Epic Games only gives us a bare bones version of split screen. And because of these limitations put into place, it is impossible to change it in any significant way, including, of course, the orientation. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the limitations of the split screen mode in Fortnite and how it is very bare bones. Sadly, you will not be able to change the orientation from horizontal to vertical. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.